Some hot chicks out there.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna pick up some hot chicks.
Oh, heck yeah.
Dang.
What? Oh,
Damn.
I go get a number.
No, dude, why don't you go try to win the prize so you can talk to her?
Alright, we can do this. Yeah. There's no fist pump, man.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the fishies? Hey, baby.
You think you're tough? I don't care. You want to win this fun ball? You have to hit this ball into that little target.
Oh, this ball and this little thing target. Oh, baby, I got big muscles that you can't even imagine. If you know what I mean.
Really? I'd like to see you try it. Dude. Show off your muscles,
Dude,
man.
bro, come on. I don't really got muscles.
I still do it, dude.
Okay,
I'm
fine.
doing this flag.
Should I wanna go?
Dude, be careful. Don't be shy.
Right, man. Alright. Dude, you made me lose a try, man.
Oh, you will try this anyways. Too bad. We get 2 more tries. Dude, what are you doing? You're trying to impress her, not act like a little baby.
Ew.
Hurry up.
Fine, gosh.
One more try. That's it, corn dog.
It's you. Man, what's your problem?
Dude, you're the win. They're just germs, man.
Dang, you just lost it. Oh, this is all your fault.
You don't even have muscles to show off. Why are you complaining? Oh, too bad. So sad. But I have one more surprise for you.
Oh, what is that? Sweetie, I'm serious.
Dude, we have the same sunglasses. I know, with your glasses are amazing. I like you. You're cute.